Okay, well, happy Thanksgiving. Uh, I hope this one has got volume. I'm going to double check before I post it. This is Williams, Philippines, and it is Thanksgiving Day. Hey, happy Thanksgiving to all. It is November 28th, 2024. Hi. I wasn't planning on having my video not have volume. It's supposed to. I just did real short one here just before, and it had it, so I'm hoping that I'll be able to get it on this one too. I'm going to try to get this up and going and post it here real quick. I had a nice long one that had a lot of points to it. Yeah, had a bit about, well, how should we say, sticker shock. I was a little bit shocked when I went and looked at the price. I went to go get a newspaper this morning, and they want $5 for a newspaper that's anorexic thin. And I can remember, my last one that I got was $2.75, which I thought was really expensive. But at least it was, inch and a quarter, inch and a half thick. The one they tried to sell me today for $5 was barely 3/8 of an inch. And yeah, for $5. I'm wondering what they're doing at the newspaper office. I think they're back there smoking crack or something. But, I've been seeing the price of newspapers go stupid since I was a kid. I remember, the newspapers. I had a couple friends that threw newspapers, and we did things like that when we were young. And the cost of them was below a quarter, especially if you bought it on an annual subscription, monthly subscription. It was cheap. But then I look back and I see what the price of minimum wage when I was born was like $1.75. And if you was still getting paid in silver quarters, well, $1.75 is, well over $35 right now. So $35 an hour is actually a very living wage. See, they ain't inflating our dollar away. They're devaluing it. Every time the printer goes ka-chunk, ka-chunk, dollar value goes through the floor. Because they don't have it pegged to anything real. And don't ever believe that the oil dollar is pegged to anything real. Yeah. It's all just the belief that you believe it has value. And they want you to keep believing that. Yet, what does it say on that dollar bill? This note is payable for all debt, both public and private. Well, what it should read is, this debt is payable for all debt, both public and private. But hey, that's a whole nother monster to get to tangle with. Anyway, I'm going to be getting this done fairly quick and fast because, I need to get some sleep because I need to wake up in about 5 hours, a little under. And, go face the reality of earning a paycheck. Well, I could not do it, but I want the overtime because, hey, every penny counts toward my retirement. So, yay. Go make my dollars. And hopefully this year my car won't get shot like it did last year. On the way home from Thanksgiving, working at my job on Thanksgiving, somebody shot my car. Yeah, you can go look at the pictures of it back last year about this time, a little after this time, and see that, oh yeah, I got a bullet hole and a nick in my car. They hit my car twice. Not something I would suggest have happening. Yeah. But it is what it is. At least I had the insurance to cover that. Hey, I don't know about y'all, but trying to deal with all the people and everything. I'm going to get a bit of that tomorrow. Still, I don't like Black Friday stuff very much because it puts me out there with lots of people. But, you know, I try to do some things because, well, growth. And I've been trying to make myself better for my whole lifetime here, it seems. Of course, my lifetime had a lot of ups and downs and sideways, but at least for the last 25 years almost now, been trying to make me a better me. And I'm thankful for that. Thankful for the blessings of good food. Had some of that. Had some corn and baked sweet potato and a New York strip steak. And they all turned out good. Well, except for the corn. It's canned stuff. It is what it is. But the sweet potato and the steak turned out delicious. And I even got a second steak I might try for breakfast in the morning when I get home. Might chop up one of those sweet potatoes and air fry it. Not bake it, air fry it. Put some seasoning on it and do it that way. There's so much you can do with an air fryer that I'm finding out, and I really enjoy that. But yeah, still having to deal with the fact of, oh yeah, coffee pot broke. I found one for $10. I'm hoping to get that. We'll see. I don't know. It's only a 5 cup. It's kind of small, but I really only do about 2 cups here at home. 3 at the most. So 5 would kind of be in the ballpark. And if I was really that much needing, I can always go and get another round. So, yay. Anyway, I hope everybody has a blessed day. And, yeah. I hope you get to have lots of good food. Have lots of good time with family and friends. And that it's really a blessed day. And that you have a lot to be thankful for. Even when you don't have a lot, if you're still alive, well, there's something to be thankful for. You know, yesterday was the past. It's gone. You can't do nothing about it. Today is the present. Enjoy the gift. Live it. And throw a little bit of investment toward tomorrow for the future. But live today. And remember, you know, tomorrow's not guaranteed. Yesterday's already gone. Today is the present. And enjoy the gift of today. Yeah. Anyway, I hope my friends and family and my 218 YouTube subscribers are having a very blessed one, and I hope everybody is, really. This is William from Williams, Philippines. Lots of food, lots of friends, lots of family. And I hope you get to have food 3 times over. fat and full. That's a good thing. Anyway, this is Fish. Later blessings, bye-bye. Fish out.